history in the making, been through it all, but I overcame it. Became a boss, had to pay the cost. I took a loss, bounced back, had it all. Lost that, then got it back. But it's some shit that I ain't never getting back. That's loved ones that's dead and gone, or locked up in a cell. I put my feelings in a song, hoping one day I'll prevail. They wanna see me dead or in jail. I hardly interact, stay to myself, and have no one to call when I needed help. I went broke trying to chase wealth. I wanna get rich so I don't ever face debt. I earn my respect, the realest nigga left. You know when it rains.